Looking for the best way to keep mosquitoes away? In today's video, we're exploring some of the most effective mosquito traps that can help you enjoy a cleaner, bug-free space. Our channel shares quality product ideas every day to make your choices easier, so stick around for useful insights and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Number 1. Dynatrap 1-Acre Mosquito and Insect Trap. The Dynatrap 1-Acre Mosquito and Insect Trap can reduce mosquito populations on properties of up to 1 acre in size. It plugs into a standard 110-volt V electrical outlet and operates quietly 24 hours a day. Carbon dioxide emanates from the titanium dioxide surface, along with the off-gassing of organic matter inside the collection chamber. Warmth and ultraviolet light from 2 bulbs attract mosquitoes to the upper housing. A quiet fan pulls the insects into the metal retaining cage, where they dry out and die without the sounds of zapping or buzzing. It's easy to maintain too. Simply twist off the retaining cage and empty its contents. According to the manufacturer, with constant operation, the Dynatrap takes 3 weeks to capture enough mosquitoes to notice an impact. It can take up to 6 weeks to kill enough mosquitoes to disrupt the mosquito breeding cycle. Number 2. Tysonaire Electric Bug Zapper. The Tysonaire Electric Bug Zapper uses heat and ultraviolet light from its 15-watt Blu-ray bulb to attract mosquitoes and a variety of other bugs. Its 4,200-volt electric shock grid, which is surrounded by a protective ABS plastic housing, quickly kills bugs. This unit plugs into a standard 110-volt household power outlet. It's rated for both indoor and outdoor use in all kinds of weather. Users can hang the lantern-style housing by the metal loop or set it on a solid surface. For a quick cleanup, users simply unscrew the threaded base. Using this mosquito zapper is as easy as plug and go. It's simple and effective, but best used in a dark room or an unlit outdoor area. Although this trap did kill any insect that had the misfortune of being lured into its electric grid, we did have 2 cons. First, there is no power button. Number 3. Catchy Indoor Insect Trap. The Catchy Indoor Insect Trap uses UV light to attract mosquitoes and other insects. When the trap is placed near the source of the insects, a trash bin, for example, its quiet fan draws the bugs into the capture basket and onto a sticky glue board. Run this unit day and night, and you should see fewer bugs in a couple of days. Both the light and fan are powered by a USB cable that plugs into a wall adapter or a portable USB power source. This electric mosquito trap is also compatible with scent attractants. We loved how well this inside mosquito catcher captured annoying fungus gnats and fruit flies. We did not think we had issues with mosquitoes indoors until we ran this machine for a whole week. We checked the trap daily and were amazed by the number of bugs stuck to the glue paper, including several mosquitoes. We do think the trap is a bit spendy. It only comes with 4 glue boards, and its coverage area is 320 square feet. Refill glue boards are available. Number 4. Dynatrap 1/2-Acre Decora Pole-Mounted Mosquito Trap. The Dynatrap Pole-Mounted Mosquito Trap uses light, heat, and carbon dioxide to attract mosquitoes from up to 1/2 acre away. It plugs into a standard 110-volt household electrical outlet and operates quietly. The titanium dioxide surface releases a carbon dioxide plume that attracts mosquitoes and emits warmth and ultraviolet light from 2 bulbs in the upper housing. A quiet fan draws nearby bugs into the metal retaining cage, where they dehydrate and die without the sound of noisy electrical zapping or buzzing. The capture basket twists off for easy cleaning. This freestanding mosquito trap is 44 inches high when mounted on the included lantern pole. After allowing the Dynatrap pole-mounted mosquito trap to run for 4 weeks, we did notice a reduction in mosquitoes and other flying insects. According to the manufacturer, disrupting the mosquito breeding cycle takes about 6 weeks, so we were pleasantly surprised. Overall, we did like the way the trap looked and performed. Number 5. Dynatrap 3/4 Acre Mosquito and Insect Trap. In hands-on testing, The Dynatrap 3/4 acre trap proved to be a versatile and efficient solution for controlling flying insects. Setting up the trap was a breeze, as it only required attaching the bug catch basket, which securely twists onto the bottom. We hung it on our garage eave and used an exterior-rated extension cord since there was no nearby outlet. Although we did notice a slight decrease in the outdoor mosquito population in our yard, the trap primarily captured a substantial number of moths rather than mosquitoes. The trap employs heat, light, and carbon dioxide to entice flying insects from a range of up to 3/4 acre, pulling them into the catch basket via a quiet vacuum fan. One drawback we encountered was that this outdoor mosquito trap did not kill the captured bugs. When we emptied the basket, many of the insects were still alive. The live insects would fly away, sometimes enveloping us in a swarm of bugs.